Lesson 14. The tense. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. Thus, there are three main tenses. 1. The present. 2. The past. 3. The future. A verb that refers to present time is said to be in the present tense, as I write, I love, etc. A verb that refers to past time is said to be in the past tense, as I wrote, I loved, etc. A verb that refers to future time is said to be in the future tense, as I shall write, I shall love, etc. Note: sometimes a past tense may refer to present time and a present tense may express future time, as I wish I know the answer is equal to I'm sorry I don't know the answer. Past tense, present time, let's wait till he comes. Present tense, future time, below we give the chief tense, active voice, indicative mood of the verb to love. Present tense. Present tense. Singular number, plural number. First person, I love, we love. Second person, you love, you love. Third person, he loves, they love. Past tense. Singular number, plural number. First person, I loved, we loved. Second person, you loved, you loved. Third person, he loved, they loved. Future tense. Singular number, plural number. First person, I shall will love, we shall will love. Second person, you will love, you will love. Third person, he will love, they will love. Just as the present tense has 4 forms, the past tense also has the following 4 forms. A. I loved. Simple past. B. I was loving. Past continuous. C. I had loved. Past perfect. D. I had been loving. Past perfect continuous. Similarly, the future tense has the following 4 forms. A. I shall will love. Simple future. B. I shall will be loving. Future continuous. C. I shall will have loved. Future perfect. D. I shall will have been loving. Future perfect continuous. We may now define tense as that form of a verb which shows the time and the state of an action or event. Present tense. 1. Present indefinite tense. The simple present tense is used to express a habitual action as. Examples: 1. He drinks tea every morning. 2. My watch keeps good time. 3. I get up every day at 5 o'clock. 2. Present continuous tense. The present continuous is used for an action going on at the time of speaking, as. Examples: 1. She is singing now. 2. The boys are playing hockey. 3. I am going to the cinema tonight. 4. My uncle is arriving tomorrow. 3. Present perfect tense. The present perfect is used to indicate completed activities in the immediate past with just, as. Examples: 1. He has just gone out. 2. It has just struck 10. To express past actions whose time is not given and not definite, as. Examples: 1. Have you read Gulliver's Travels? 2. I have never known him to be angry. Note: the present perfect is never used with adverbs of past time. We should not say, for example, he has gone to Kolkata yesterday. In such cases, the simple past should be used. He went to Kolkata yesterday. 4. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous is used for an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing, as. Examples: 1. He has been sleeping for 5 hours and is still sleeping. 2. They have been building the bridge for several months. 3. They have been playing since 4 o'clock. Past tense. 1. Past indefinite tense. The simple past is used to indicate an action completed in the past. It often occurs with adverbs or adverb phrases of past time. Examples: 1. She left school last year. 2. The steamer sailed yesterday. 3. I received his letter a week ago. The simple past is also used for past habits, as. Examples: 1. He as a student used to study many hours every day. 2. She always carried an umbrella. 2. Past continuous tense. The past continuous is used to denote an action going on at some time in the past. The time of the action may or may not be indicated. Examples: 1. We were watching TV all evening. 2. When I saw him, he was playing chess. This tense is used with always continually for persistent habits in the past. He is always grumbling. 3. Past perfect tense. The past perfect describes an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Example: I met him in New Delhi in 2019. I had seen him last 5 years before. If two actions happened in the past, it may be necessary to show which action happened earlier than the other. The past perfect is mainly used in such situations. The simple past is used in one clause and the past perfect in the other, as examples: 1. I had written the letter before he arrived. 2. I had done my exercise when he came to see me. 4. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous is used for an action that began before the certain point in the past and continued up to that time, as examples: 1. At that time he had been writing a novel for 2 months. 2. When Mr. Javed came to the school in 2019, Mr. Anand had already been teaching there for 5 years. Future tense. There are several ways of talking about the future in English. The simple future tense, the going to form, the simple present tense, etc. 1. Future indefinite tense. The simple future tense is used to tell about things which we cannot control. It expresses the future as fact. Examples: 1. I shall appear for the exam this year. 2. She will support you in difficult times. 3. I shall not change my stand on corruption. 2. Future continuous tense. We use the future continuous tense to talk about actions which will be in progress at a time in the future. Examples: 1. I suppose it will be raining when we start. 2. This time tomorrow I will be sitting on the beach in Singapore. Can I see you at 5 o'clock? Please don't come when I will be watching the tennis match on TV. We also use this tense to talk about actions in the future which are already planned or which are expected to happen in the normal course of things. Examples: 1. I will be staying here till Sunday. 2. He will be meeting us next week. 3. Postman will be coming soon. 3. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to talk about actions that will be completed by a certain future time. Examples: 1. She will not have eaten the food. 2. He will have left before you go to see him. 3. By the end of this month I will have worked here for 5 years. 4. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used for actions which will be in progress over a period of time that will end in the future. Examples: 1. By next March we shall have been living here for 4 years. 2. I'll have been teaching for 20 years next July. share, and subscribe.